Defining intelligence. Intelligence is based on how efficient a species became at doing the things they need to survive. Charles Darwin. Why would anyone choose to confront many problems? Is there an immediate or delayed benefit for the individual? For the average person, what drives them to face a problem when avoidance is an option? What if the problem seems trivial? What if an individual finds contentment in the status quo? Why should they exert themselves, particularly when problem solving can be mentally exhausting? The questions raised indicate a fundamental connection between cognitive capacity and motivation. Individuals may have the intellectual ability to address problems, but the motivation to do so often hinges on perceived relevance and personal satisfaction. The inclination to tackle challenges enhances the likelihood of iterative processes, thereby fostering the growth of intelligence. Assume that you had to read one of the two books, a Harry Potter novel or a textbook. The molecular biology of the gene, assuming you're not from the field. Which one would you choose and why? ChatGPT's response was, I would choose the novel for enjoyment and easier comprehension in time. That is an obvious choice for everyone. The difficulty in studying a textbook is in the prior knowledge to have, the amount of knowledge to absorb, the amount of abstractness that is difficult to imagine, and nothing relatable. Any information that is too cerebral is difficult, not as enjoyable, and sometimes with little outcomes. Consequently, I prefer to conceptualize intelligence as a dual construct, composed of two interrelated elements, cognitive traits and personality traits. Each dimension plays a vital role in shaping an individual's overall intelligence and ability to navigate life's complexities. Intelligence is a complex interplay of cognitive and personality traits that enables individuals to detect, predict, process, regulate, and direct change effectively within contextual constraints. Cognitive traits. The cognitive aspect of intelligence refers to a set of skills and processes that facilitate the acquisition, processing, and application of knowledge. These skills are instrumental in how individuals perceive and interact with their environment. Cognitive traits are competencies that one has to build by training and practice. Most, if not all, are not built into us, for we are just other animals. Cognitive competencies are not innate but are developed through conscious effort, continuous practice, persistence, experience, and reflection. 1. Knowledge. Serving as the foundation of intelligence, knowledge encompasses the information, facts, concepts, and principles that individuals acquire through education and experience. A robust knowledge base is vital for informed decision-making and effective problem-solving. 2. Analytical thinking. This skill involves breaking down complex information into manageable components, allowing individuals to understand relationships and draw logical conclusions. 3. Critical thinking. Critical thinking enables individuals to evaluate arguments and evidence critically, assessing the validity of information and forming reasoned judgments based on rational thought and objectivity. 4. Problem solving. The ability to identify issues, generate viable solutions, and implement effective strategies is a key cognitive trait that reflects intelligence in action. 5. Logical reasoning. This trait involves systematic thinking and the capacity to follow a sequence of steps leading to valid conclusions derived from given premises or data. 6. Systems thinking. It is an analytical approach that emphasizes understanding the interconnections and interdependencies within a complex system, enabling effective problem solving by recognizing how changes in one part can impact the whole. 7. Memory. Memory encompassing both short-term and long-term retention of information is essential for learning and the application of knowledge over time. 8. Attention. The ability to focus on specific information while filtering out distractions is critical for effective learning and processing of new information. 9. Information synthesis. This cognitive skill allows individuals to integrate various pieces of information into a coherent understanding, fostering informed decision-making. 10. Pattern recognition. Recognizing trends, relationships, and regularities in data helps individuals predict outcomes and make sound judgments. 11. Creativity. Creativity represents the capacity for divergent thinking, enabling individuals to generate novel ideas, solutions, or approaches to problems, which is crucial for innovation. 12. Metacognition. Metacognition involves awareness and regulation of one's cognitive processes, including the ability to reflect on and adjust one's learning strategies.